How many of us have seen the curve?
I have. We've talked about this
How'd
before.
you see it? With
Horizon,
your own eyes? You seen it?
yeah, horizon dip
Yeah, the
angles.
horizon. You
At
can't
what
see it
at what
left to
height did you
right, but you
see it?
can see it front to back. Everybody sees
At
it all
what
the
height did you
time.
see it? At
At
what
what?
height did you see it?
I was on
At
top
what
of.
height?
I was on top of an apartment building. I don't remember observer height. I was just seeing if a horizon dip angle was there at
So
all.
you was on top of an apartment building and
Yes,
you
sir.
saw the curve of the earth.
Yeah, horizon dip angle specifically.
Where where was everybody else seeing the curve? Has anyone else seen the curvature of the earth?
The
I have a
fact
counter
that the
question,
fact
but I'll
that
let everybody
objects
else answer first.
disappear from your view over the horizon that is the curve. The curve is manifest
How
in
do we
those
feel?
observations.
Also, the sun.
How do,
You
how
can't
do we
see it
feel
left to
about
right, but you can see it front to back.
Right.
what do you mean by that? What can I see from front to back?
The curve, if something is curving, okay, so if something is curving away from you, then that would mean, so you see this circle right here? Do you see that circle right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see that circle right there?
Yeah.
Can you see that circle?
Mm-mm.
No? That's
Nope.
because the curvature is obscuring it. So
So
there
that's
you go.
what you see? That's what y'all have seen?
Well,
Y'all have seen that?
I don't see the sun after it goes below the horizon because it's obscured
I
by the
said the curve.
curvature of
Have
the
you
earth.
guys seen the curvature of the earth with your
Yes,
own
because the
eyes?
horizon is you are seeing the shape of the earth.
So now look, this is and now look, I'm gonna say something. And when I say these things on this live, like on these lives, I get like people tell me that I'm like, you just say people lot, but I'm gonna tell you this. The science that you guys swear by with this globe model, they let us know that we can't even start seeing the effects of curvature until at least about 45,000 feet in the air.
Yeah, left to right
So
curvature.
where is
Correct.
anyone
Left to
seeing?
right
Where is?
curvature. Correct.
Hold on, wait, peep. Where is anybody seeing? You can't even. We talking about the effects of curvature. We're not even talking about actual curvature.
What
Yeah,
do you mean
well, when
by
you look at the ground, you're looking at the ground, and the earth is shaped like a sphere. Like I've been to the ocean. So when you look out straight out, you're looking at the earth and you're watching it disappear. It sharply disappears, which is the effect that a curving away surface has from you. If the earth were a flat plane going out to infinity, then it would not there would not be a sharp line. The atmosphere itself would obscure the surface of the earth and it would fade out, right? The vanishing point would be above the horizon, the visible horizon, if Earth were flat.
I'd like to point out that your assertion doesn't even
So
actually
look,
prove the effect of curve. What you're saying is that, like, oh, at 45,000 height, you can see the curve. That's not seeing the effect of the curve. That's seeing
nah,
the
I
curve itself.
definitely didn't say it. Hold on,
You
stop, because
absolutely
you put
did.
words in my mouth.
No,
I
you absolutely
definitely
said
didn't
the
say you
effect of
can
the
see.
curve.
Stop, damn, stop. I said you can't see curvature at 40,000 feet. I said you can start to see the beginning of the effects of curvature. That's the
Literally what I said
problem.
back to you.
Y'all be listening. Y'all be listening for the gotcha. Nah, I never said you can see. I never said you can see curvature. Me personally,
I never
I
said
don't
that's
think
what
you
you
can
said.
never see curvature.
That's not what I
I
said you
said
said.
that I said that modern science says that you can start to see the effects of curvature, meaning
Which
that
is
you
what I
won't even
repeated
be
back
able
to
to
you.
see.
Can you
You
define?
won't even be able to see curvature.
Okay, but wait.
Do you
Would
understand?
effects of curvature? What does that mean? You can stand on the ocean, or you
Exactly. What
can stand
does it
on
mean?
the.
What does it mean?
Yeah,
You
so you
tell me what it
stand,
means.
okay, cool. So you can
You're the
stand
one
on the
making the
He
shoulder.
doesn't
claim,
even
love.
have anything for his own
What
point.
it means right now, and you keep
Wait, so
allowing
y'all
me
don't
to
wait.
answer it.
All
Do
of
you want
y'all
me
are
to answer the
globe lovers,
question
and
or
y'all
no?
don't even know what the effects of
I
curvature
just
is.
I'm answering the question right now, and you keep talking over me.
What is it again?
You can stand on the shore, right? You can stand at a beach, and if a ship starts disappearing from bottom to top, that is the effect of the curvature.
Oh my god, yo! I said, yo! Oh my
You don't
god,
need
I
to
know
go to.
you're confused, love. I know you're
yo!
confused. It's okay.
The
Just take a deep breath.
curvature of the earth, y'all. I'm serious. I'm not talking about going over a quote unquote
Make up
horizon.
make
I'm
up your
talking about
mind.
have you the bend. You know what I mean when I
You
say
keep
the
jumping
bend of
around.
the earth? Have you seen the
Yes, I
bend?
do. So if you go extremely high up, you can see the left
How
to
high?
right curvature like that.
How
But
high?
close to the ground, you can't. However, if you look straight out, you can make the observations of a surface that is curving away from you. And we make those all the time, like when the sun sets, for example.
My
Or
God.
the fact that if you go up
I'm
on
gonna
a
tell you,
high
man.
hill or a mountain, you cannot see. Like if you went to the tallest, if you went to I'm from South Dakota. So originally, I don't live there anymore, but there's a mountain there called Black Elk Peak, and it's the tallest point in the entire United States east of the Rocky Mountains. But when I went up there, I could not see Chicago from up there, even though
All
I
right,
was
look.
taller than the buildings in Chicago.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Yo.
your goodness.
Oh my God, yo. Because I'm
Oh,
trying to
your God.
like when I be trying not to like be so um direct, but like I don't even have time to like be nice with y'all no more because
because you
I
don't
see the dishonesty
understand.
is not like y'all can't
Yeah,
wait for the
literally
chance to
nobody
be
ever lied
dishonest.
about anything, so I don't know what your point is. But you can establish this for
Y'all
yourself.
can't wait
Go
for the
on
chance to
top of
be
a
dishonest.
building or
Somebody
climb
said
a
they was on
hill.
top of an apartment building and
Yes,
seen the
right.
Yeah, so literally go on top of a building or go on a hike to a hill or a mountain. And then when you look at the horizon, you will notice that it is way below it's below your feet. The angle towards it is negative. If Earth were flat, it wouldn't necessarily be um you would have an extremely shallow negative angle, perhaps, but it's like you can do the math on this and figure out what it would be, and it exactly matches those observations.
And then, just so we're clear, what I said, I didn't say I saw left to right curvature. I'm referring to a horizon dip angle where you find out what level is, and then you have this angle between level and the horizon. You can just figure that out yourself. That is curvature on the z axis. That is curvature going downwards and away from you. That doesn't work on a flat earth at all.
Or what you can do is if you live somewhere where there's like a tall building or a hill or a mountain, you and a buddy, one of you can be on the top of the building or the hill, one of you can be on the ground, and you will find that you will see the sun set at two different times. That is impossible if the earth is flat. So you can do that test yourself. All you have to do is have one friend. Uh, so you can do that and test the claim yourself. You're
You know, and I've
muted,
done
so
it.
you can unmute
I
yourself
ac-
whenever you want.
I actually did that, Peterson. I did it at Lake Erie. There is uh, a lighthouse there, and
Oh, cool.
my brother was on top of it while I was on the bottom, and we were able to videotape two sunsets.
That's pretty cool. Love, you're muted, but you can unmute yourself.
why I was muted. Somebody muted me.
Yeah, I muted you a long time ago so I could
Why
make
you
my point.
muting me? That's not hot.
Because you were talking and I wanted to
That's
say
whack.
something.
That's corny. If you was on my live, I wouldn't mute you. That's
Okay.
whack. That's
Okay.
corny. Oh, I know what's happening. Y'all don't like the truth.
No, you just
When
ramble.
the
See, I can
truth
just claim that
hit,
what I say is the truth. There,
yo,
you
when
don't
the
like the truth.
truth, the mute.
Yes, TRUF. Um, so you and a buddy, if you
Yes,
have one of
TRUF, my
those,
boy. Yes, TRUF, my boy, vernacular. Yeah,
one of you go on
for
top of a
sure.
building, the other be on the ground,
AAVE,
and you'll
my
see
boy.
that the sun sets at two different times. That's impossible if the earth is flat. A sunset in
I don't
general
know,
is
man.
impossible, but
I
that
don't know.
would definitely be impossible.
Pulling up anything past 2.8 miles for what you can see is impossible, but nobody says nothing about it.
It's not. You just have to go up higher.
It's
Yeah,
not. It's
literally
not
no idea
impossible.
what
No,
you're
I'm talking
talking
about
about.
on the shoreline. I'm talking about at the beach, my boy. Not
No,
on
it's
your
still
apartment
not
building.
possible.
Not
Yeah,
at the
it's
top of
still
your
not
apartment building.
possible. Yeah, it's still not impossible if it's
How
tall enough.
you know? Yo, what are you talking about? It's still not possible. The same proof that you just pulled up for your curvature, we
Im-
can pull up something where somebody is pulling shit up from miles from where they should actually be able to see it. What are you
okay,
talking about?
that would be better than what you've done so
Yo,
far.
y'all just be up here lying, yo. I don't get it.
Lorenzo,
Like,
Lorenzo,
what's the
are you
purpose
just
of lying?
are you just
Have you seen the curvature
you,
Yes.
with your own two eyes?
Again,
Yes, we described how
yes,
this
If you're saying
works.
that you've seen the
we
curvature, you
described
are
how
Remember
the
when you
lying,
curvature
couldn't
yo.
see the
works,
circle
and
and
you
then
Yo,
still
we
you
showed
denied
how
it.
are
you
lying.
can
Yo,
see
this
the
is what I'm saying.
circle?
Yo, y'all are not. Yo, first of all, you telling me that you can see it at the beach. You're telling me you can see it
Yeah, you can.
on the top of your apartment building. But I'm going to the
listen
source. I'm going
to
to a
anything?
source that loves the science that y'all swear by. That says
Holy
you can
shit!
start to see it at 35.
Yeah, he wasn't listening.
Fuck.
I have to go cook my chicken.
Yeah, I'm a hot dog
I'm
too.
actually having chicken for dinner, but it's actually already cooked, so,
Yeah. Well, I'm
Well,
just
that is a good
he didn't-
reason to get out of an argument. You got chicken.
yeah. I'm just glad he didn't listen at all, and we got nowhere. That was very productive.
Remember, people, the truth will set you free.
The truth.
The truth.